Nimetumwa Nyeri. Nini ya? Ile bide. Acha nitakwambia. Acha nitakushow.
Wimbo Aira Bukurani ambao ulishinda Mwafaka Award mnamo mwaka who have been performing in the stage for 2 years. He performed during the Kenya National Athletics Champions in 2014 College Drama Festival, where he emerged the best overall winner. He was a man all selected to perform for His Excellency the President and State Council. Popularly known as Kitole, is a